3 Dollar Trees today. Let's see what I got. Okay, so the first thing, let's see. So I picked up some of the Natural Breeze Value Pack. It has the, I don't know what you think, outlet plug-in thing, and 2 of the scents in the scent of Wild Berry for $3.25. So hopefully these are better than those. They've had this other brand, I don't know what it's called, Shore Scents or something like that, and they're smaller than this, and they've had them forever, and they come in one in a pack. They just, you have to be right up on them to smell them. So I did pick up 2 of those. Oh, and this one, what the heck? Okay, so this is weird. So both packages are Wild Berry, but this one looks kind of orangey, and this one looks yellow. What? What? Okay, and then I got these 30-piece coins for St. Patrick's Day, and they were $1.25. But I got these because I want to put them around my money toads that I've recently got, and to so the money toads, which here's a picture of. These are just some stickers or window clings. So the money toads are like a good feng shui to bring in money into your household. But I have some little money toad statues, not statues, like little figurines. And some of them don't have the coins, so that's what I got these for, to put around those coins. And they read, a 4-leaf clover for good luck and something, 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 but I don't have my glasses. So that was that. And then I did get another lip gloss. Today I got Max Lip Shine Le Mercier, Le Mercier? I don't know. And the color is, I can't believe I forgot my stinking glasses again. I don't know what the color is. Let's open it up. I liked it because it was kind of a neutral-ish color. One of the naturals, like a natural color. Ugh. Out of there. Okay. So without my glasses, I'm not seeing a color name. But this is what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's a pretty color. It smells like candy. Alright. Add that to my... Now the video before this was a Dollar Tree spring makeup haul, so you may want to check that out. But I also did go to Meijer because I needed groceries again. And the only thing I found there, as far as like clearance or a good buy, was this bar of Olay Ultra Moisture, 10 times the moisture beauty bar, and it was 69 cents, and it was the only one that they had left. So there's that. Okay, so this is the, I didn't get a whole lot. I mean, I did get some other things that you don't want to see, like some toilet paper. You don't care about that. Actually, Dollar Tree toilet paper is not that bad. It's good if you, because I can't use like the Charmin and that really thick stuff because my plumbing will get clogged up. And I've had a couple of issues of the basement backing up. So I can't use that little thick stuff. So it's not bad for that. Alright, so now you're saying, why are you showing me your laundry detergent? My daughter has sensitive skin and she's allergic to a lot of laundry detergent. But this she is not. It works out really good. And I like it because it is laundry detergent plus fabric softener. So I don't have to keep watching for the rinse cycle. So it's good for both things. It has fabric softener in it, and my daughter is not allergic to it. So that's why. Alright. And then I picked up some Sweet Pea Blossom dryer sheets. These don't seem to bother her either. And they smell like sweet pea blossoms. They smell really good. There's 40 in there for $1.25. Alright. These she can handle as well. I'm so fortunate that she can handle things that are at Dollar Tree. And with this, I do put a little bit of this in with it. This is the... What is this? I think it's mostly like a scent booster. Fabric conditioner, that's what it is. Fabric conditioner, but they smell really good. And these are $1.25 each as well. And this one is the same, and it has different... You can see that because I can't. And they do carry also like pet hair. It comes in a darker bottle, and it's to like keep the pet hair off your clothes, but they didn't have that this time. Oh, this was another find too. The Brush Buddies whitening with baking soda toothpaste. 2 of them in here for $1.25. Let's open it up and see how big they are. Okay, so they are 3.5 ounces. But 2 of these for $1.25, that's not too bad. Anti-cavity fluoride toothpaste with baking soda. 2 of them in there for $1.25. Now, I know these colors on here mean something because you'll see some toothpaste with red or blue. This one has black, which makes me look. And I know that these colors mean something, but I can't remember what means what. So if you're interested in that, Google it. This black is probably like going to kill you color. Alright. And I did pick up some new hand soap. This is the Eucalyptus by Delta Home. Let's give it a smell. I've gotten this before, and it works pretty decent. Oh, it smells good. It smells like eucalyptus. So that was good, and it is 16 ounces with the pump. And of course, I bought some new toothbrushes, 2 in a pack for $1.25. Because my daughter has the flu, and I'm getting over something. I don't know what it was. She was diagnosed at the doctor's with the flu, and I've got something, so it's time to switch out toothbrushes. Okay, and this is the last item. There's several of the things, same thing. I got this neon green or yellow nail polish. It is the brand Color Vibe, and the color is highlighter. I can actually see it, and it looks like that. That's going to be cool in the spring and summer. And I also found, I was on the lookout for these nail polish. Okay. It is the Cosmic Colors Mirror Effect nail polish. And they didn't have many of these left. And I know there's more colors than what I got here. So I got this like copper color. I don't think these were $1.25 each. I'm not seeing a name on here, but there's this copper color. I had to try that out. I don't know if that's really going to look like the bottle. And then there was this gold color. Maybe you have to shake them up. I don't actually think they're going to look like what the bottle looks like. And then there was this yellow color. And then they had the green. But I know there's some more colors, but I just don't know which. So if you know about these, and you know what colors I'm missing, I would greatly appreciate if you put it in the comments. It's like, I think there's a blue, and I think there's a red, and maybe another one, but I'm not exactly sure. So these are the 4 colors that I did find today. So if you know what other colors there are that I might be missing, I would greatly appreciate a comment. So let's just look at this. Shake it up a little bit better. And another thing I got today was a broken fingernail. So let's try it on the... Oh no. It looks nothing like the bottle. And it doesn't look bad, but it looks nothing like the bottle. And I got it all over my skin because I don't have my glasses on. Yeah, that's, it looks nothing like the bottle. Like I said, it doesn't look bad, but you're expecting this and you're getting this. It doesn't really look like mirror effect, to be honest with you. It looks more like just kind of like a metallic color. Let's try the green. Okay. Yeah, see. No. And it's like streaky. Well, I didn't shake it up very good, so that's not the problem. Yeah, I mean, like I said, they don't look bad, but they don't look like the bottle. So, good to know, but I would still be interested in finding the other colors that are missing. So that was my Dollar Tree and little itty bitty Meyer haul today. And let me know what you think. Is there anything that you're looking for? I still can't find in my area those, there's kits from, like they're all for $1.25, and they have like 4 lipsticks, full-size lipsticks in them. And then they also have the eyeshadow palette and the blush palette. I'm not finding those anywhere around here. Maybe they'll be here in the summertime or something, because sometimes that happens. We get things a little later than everybody else. But yeah, there is my Dollar Tree and a little bit of Meyer haul today. I want to thank you for joining me here. And if you like this content, give it a thumbs up. This is not my usual content, but sometimes I throw in something different every now and then. So yeah, check out my other videos. Consider subscribing. Have a great day.